This
tourist
conference
guides
will now be
or
recorded.
theoretical part. All right. Yeah. Ping me in WhatsApp. I have already given your number, right? Okay. Yeah, guys. Today we'll have to discuss about the cloud computing, guys. What is the definition of cloud computing? Like it is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, guys. For example, on-demand is nothing but like uh, uh, this is the cloud. If you are example for that one, you can purchase any time, guys. Any resources, system resources. For example, VM is the one resource. As whatever it is, like kilowatt, everything we can use on demand, guys. We can buy any time. Okay, for example, if you are going to the shop and buy to any time, right? Due to that reason, we'll call it as it is on demand availability of computer system or the resources, especially like data storage, guys. Data storage and computing power without direct active management. For example, we don't want to take any responsibility for that one. Who are the cloud providers are there? They should have to take the responsibility of power, like storage activities, everything. They will have to handle it. This is the sample definition. Uh, what is cloud computing is nothing but it is on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without directive active management, guys. Okay. Now we'll have to discuss about the what is Microsoft Azure. But actually, whenever we can start the Microsoft Azure any course, we should have to learn like history of that one, why it was created. Okay, that one we should have to learn it, guys. For example, when it was announced on October 2008. Okay, for October and it is released. It is released on February 1st, 2010, guys. It is released on February 10 as Windows Azure. Actually, Microsoft they have announced like 2018 October, and it is released on. But they have tested everything. It was taken 2 years for build the cloud everything for that one. Now finally they have released on February 1st, 2010, guys, as Windows Azure. But actually it was there as Windows Azure. By March 25th, 2014, now it is entered in the market as Microsoft Azure, guys. They have renamed as Microsoft Azure 2014. Okay, from 2014 to now 2021, but they have increased their market, guys. Their market like March 25 to 2014. Okay, don't put your reserve as a Azure DevOps engineer like a 6+ experience. Okay, why? Because it was introduced in the market 2014 only March. Due to that reason, we cannot put as 6+ years of experience. Okay, now other thing is okay. We do have like in Microsoft Azure public cloud offers are there, guys. These are the offers like uh, and one more example to tell you about that one. One of the reasons why Microsoft Azure is popular and fast developing in the current market, guys. Like it is because it is easy to work along with other Microsoft solutions such as Microsoft System Center and also Microsoft Azure public cloud offers. These are the public cloud offers, guys. We should have to learn more things these things, guys. What is the IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? Then only we'll have to work on those things, guys. What is PaaS? For example, these are the we can call it as a public cloud offers. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. We'll have to learn with example in few minutes, guys. What is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? What it comes under IaaS? What it comes under PaaS? What it comes under SaaS? For example, by using these things, we'll have to create, deploy, and operate cloud-based applications and infra services, guys. This is the sample definition I have written here. Like by using three things, we'll have to create it, we'll have to deploy it, we'll have to operate cloud-based applications and infra services, guys. Now we'll have to learn it. What is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? Okay. Now I will go on a clear picture, guys. Okay. Go here. I will take like example for that one. This is, I will take IaaS, guys. This is, I will take the three diagrams, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Okay. This is SaaS. What it comes IaaS. IaaS, this is IaaS, guys. IaaS full form is infrastructure as a service. Okay. Now this is PaaS. Sorry, guys. This is PaaS. PaaS is nothing but platform as a service. As a service. This is SaaS. SaaS. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Okay. These are the Microsoft cloud providers, guys. Okay. This is IaaS, this is PaaS, this is SaaS. What it comes under IaaS? For example, one more diagram. I forgot it that one. I will take here one more diagram. I told you right yesterday. This is enterprise. Enterprise IT or like on-premise. Okay. For what it comes under and enterprise IT. Did you remember, guys? I told you yesterday, applications, applications, security, databases,
Data centers.
systems, operating systems, virtualization, and the servers, storage. We should have to remember, guys. You should have to remember those things. Why? Because you should have to remember each team is available in our real-time scenarios, data centers. Okay. Okay, these are the applications: security, databases, and operating systems, and virtualization, servers, storage, and networking guys, data centers. Actually, these are the we should have to maintain every organization, guys. Like here, under IAS, like infrastructure as a service, like model provided is generally like capability of infrastructure level to user, guys. For example, what it comes under IAS, like I will tell you what it comes IAS. What is the, for example, like IAS service model provided is generally like capability of infrastructure level to the user space. It will provide the infrastructure. What it comes here, infrastructure, we will tell you. Like the providers like manage the hardware and infrastructure. Uh, they will have to maintain the hardware, guys. For example, virtualization. Till virtualization, for example, like till virtualization, guys. For example, like these are not part of IAS. Only this part of handle IAS, guys. Only it will provide like data center, networking part, storage, server, virtualization, guys. We can put it like symbol. I will change it. These are the pods which will come under IAS, guys. For example, like the cloud providers managed the hardware or the infrastructure such as virtual servers, guys. Example, I will tell the example for that one. Example, virtual servers, virtual servers, virtual servers, storage, network, connectivity, operating system, and other fundamental computing resources. Based on the IAS offering, users like should manage them with administrative works, guys. For example, in this example of administrator work, guys, admin work, this is comes under admin work, guys. For example, he wants to create the virtual machine, he will create it. Yeah, he wants to create the networking, he will create it. For example, as a DevOps engineer, you should have to remember it, guys. These are the not part of our responsibility as a DevOps engineer. For example, in case of any deployment failure, something, any infra related issue, you'll have to contact with admin. Okay, based on the IAS offering, users should manage them with administrative works, such as like such as what he will do, like installing the patches and the configurations, guys. Okay, installing the patches and the configurations. Installing the patches and configurations. One of the best example of this model is virtual machine, guys. Virtual virtual machine. One of the example of this one, virtual machine. This is in cloud, guys. For example, now now uh, like I told you, right, virtualization, server, storage, networking, data center. Here pass, here pass, it comes under IAS with pass, guys. For example, like if you take here virtualization, it comes here like security of except applications, guys. It will provide it. Security, databases, operating systems. Yeah. Under pass, it comes like security, databases, operating systems, virtualization, server, storage, networking guys, data centers. When you choose the path, almost developers will choose this option guys. For example, developer will choose this option like platform as a service, which comes under for the security, databases, operating system, virtualization guide. The PaaS service model provides the capability that comprises deployed and configured IT resources. These are the IT resource guys in a ready state based on the AS model guys. But step. Everything is it is ready guys. For example, like if the patch is there on top of the one, you'll have to install the applications. That's it guys. Everything Azure will give the provide for that one. User like users like don't need to care about the infrastructure level, and even the administrator they face it guys. They don't care, they don't care about the administrative, and they don't want like administrative level guys. In body administrator they don't feel like that, but infrastructure also everything Azure will provide it if you select them the pass guys. For example, like what users need to do is focus their work with the application level. For example, these are the example of example of these things like app service guys. Sorry. Example of PaaS app service in app service plan, app service plan guys. Okay, everything I will show you the practical sessions. What is Combo, how to create everything for that one. These are the PaaS guys. Now, here under SaaS, like compared to PaaS SaaS, has a more advanced virtualization guys level. Like here, it is covering everything guys. For example, like enterprise IT is there, right? Same thing, it comes under like data centers, like here, I did not copy here. Here, like here, everything it comes under guys. For example, applications, security, operating systems, and virtualization, virtual servers. You don't want depend on anything, guys. Networking, data center. Okay, this is the example of that one. Like SaaS compared to PaaS, SaaS has a more virtualization level, guys, which is widely accessed over the internet and directly used by users, guys. That it is directly used by users. The most common example of like Google site and Virtual Studio and Office 365 and Google Drive. These are the most example of this, guys. Like example, Google Drive, like Gmail, guys. Email, you can take email. For example, where it is saved, guys, all the emails is we can access it, guys. Office 365. These are the example of SaaS, guys. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? If you don't have any doubts, we will move to another slide.
As you said, Kiran, in as with the virtualization servers and storage networking is not our part, right? It's admin part. That same part will come for PaaS also.
Yeah, PaaS actually, if you choose the app service, it will come under app service, guys. Data centers, networking, everything. In case of any storage, it is failed. We'll have to contact with Microsoft Azure, guys. Here, good question. Like here, you'll have to contact Azure admin, guys. In case of any pass failure, we'll have to interact with Azure admin. Azure guys, Azure site is there, right? We have support is there. From Azure side also, we have some support guys. There they will have to respond of that one. Here we don't have any admin guys. Here we don't have any admin. In case of if you choose the pass, you'll have to directly interact with Azure support team. They will give the support for pass. Here also Azure support, Azure team is there, separate team is there. From Azure side. You will have to create the ticket and they will have to approach you and what is the reason, everything. They will have to clear your doubts and troubleshooting everything. They will rectify the issue, guys. Sometimes this one also will have to hold it, but if you choose the PAN, we are not responsibility of that one. Azure is the responsibility to take care everything in case of any failures. Okay. One second, guys. It is stuck. Okay. Next, we'll have to discuss on that one like type of cloud deployment models, guys. Type of cloud deployment models. What is the type of cloud deployment models? What are those things? Like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. These are the deployment models are available in this market, guys. What is public cloud? What is private cloud? What is hybrid cloud? What is community cloud? Now we'll have to discuss on those things. Okay, go to here. Like public cloud is like, for example, if this is organization, guys. This is your organization. This is your organization. For example, like this is cloud, guys. What are things like, for example, like this is your organization. This is your organization. I'm talking about here. It is public cloud, guys. This is public cloud. This is public cloud. Okay. This is organization. For example, like the public cloud is publicly accessible cloud environment provided by a cloud provider such as like Microsoft Azure, like Amazon Web Services, like Google Cloud. This platform manage IT resources, guys. For example, like here, what are the providers like? For example, like this is the organization. we do have like a lot of public cloud providers are available in our market, guys. What are those things? Like here, we'll have to choose like Microsoft Azure, and public cloud, and we do have AWS and OpenShift, OpenShift like VMware, vSphere, vSphere, and Google Cloud platforms. These are the public cloud providers are there in this market, guys. For example, data centers are, for example, like IT resources in their data center, and they responsible for the security of these IT resources, guys. For example, if you choose Microsoft Azure or everything, data center, they should have to take the responsibility of everything, guys, in public cloud. For example, this is, for example, you are the user, guys. You are the user here, but you are connecting to through internet, guys, to internet. For the security reasons, everything, they should have to take the responsibility of each and every cloud, guys. This is the public cloud. We can able to access from anywhere, guys. For example, I am the user, guys, through outlaw.azure.com. Through internet, I am using their resources. Any resource, anyone can be able to access these resources, guys. Due to that reason, we can call it as a public cloud. Okay. Public cloud from anywhere around the world. Like with the help of the internet, users can access cloud services of the public cloud from anywhere, guys. User can access anywhere. The following, for example, this is the images for it will work, guys. This is the example of public cloud. We can access through internet in any resources, guys. For example, one second, guys.
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
1 minute. Okay.
Can you repeat your question, please? Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Did I ask any question? Yeah, public cloud actually, for example, like users can access cloud services on the public cloud from anywhere around in the world. For example, if you stay here like Hyderabad or US, anything, will take the access through internet, guys. For that one, it is public cloud anywhere around the world. This is the example of a public cloud. Now we'll have to go to the private cloud. Like what is private cloud, everything, public cloud. For example, like these are the public cloud providers, guys. For example, what it comes under the public cloud, everything. Now we'll have to go to the examples. Like okay, now we'll have to go to the, but we have learned all public cloud providers, guys. Like now we'll have to go to the infrastructure for public cloud. Like uh, I compared the public cloud and, for example, now this is now we'll have to go to the private cloud, guys. And private cloud. Now we'll have to discuss about the private cloud. For example, this has compared to private cloud, a private cloud is more critical in security and can only be accessed it from internet network guys. For example, where infrastructure as hosted. I will use some example about that one. Like uh, like this is the key guys. You can assume this is key. For example, this is cloud. Okay, you can take this one. Like each and organization everything here under here private cloud only guys. This is organization. 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 For example, these are the application servers guys. Application server. Like organization and application servers guys. And manager servers. Manager servers and data source servers. Data source servers. For example, for example, this is the key guys. For example, this is the key. This is the key. Is the thing, but for example, these are all it is one network guys. For example, these are all one network. For example, uh, uh, private cloud is more critical in security, and that can be only accessed it from internal network. And these are the internal network guys. These are the internet where the infrastructure is hosted. This is the organization infrastructure, application servers. This is the infrastructure, and clouds are managed by companies guys. For example, organization one has data center. This is internal network guys. For example, for example, if you are the outside of the network, you cannot be able to access it guys. You cannot be able to access the internal network. For example, in the organization, a few people are using here application servers. uh, the person who is working inside the organization only, they will have to be able to get the access guys. For example, these are the servers, application servers. These are the servers guys. Who is working on the internal employees only, they can able the access it guys. For those things, private cloud. For example, from outside of the organization, this is another organization. This is another organization. You can take the example. This is another organization. For example, there is no interaction between the two organizations, guys. For example, in this organization, different network, in this organization, different network. But we cannot be able to access in these two network, guys. Why? Because those are configured in private cloud only, but this is the security internal organization is there. They will have to access it guys. Here what user is there, they will have to access their resources like servers everything. They can be able to log in, they can be able to rectify it, they can send the data to data centers, everything it is possible inside the organization. For example, if you are staying outside the organization, they cannot understand, they cannot access your data guys. They cannot access your servers. Do you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we'll have to go to the hybrid cloud, guys. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud. Okay. Hybrid cloud, guys. How we can build it hybrid cloud? I will tell you those things, guys. For example, like here we can take one cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but a combination of public cloud and private cloud, guys. Combination of hybrid cloud is nothing but public cloud plus hybrid cloud, guys. This is public cloud, this is hybrid cloud. For example, we should have to maintain those cloud, guys. For example, I will tell you those scenarios. For example, here we can consider as a key. This is under one cloud, guys. For example, hybrid cloud, combination of public and private cloud, guys. Here we can take it as a example of public cloud. Public cloud, it comes like IAS, PAS, CAS. Okay. Now you can, for example, this is the private cloud, guys, which comes like organization. Here, organization. Here, application servers. Application server, like managed services, managed servers, data source servers, okay. We can call it as a one more name, guys. This is here public private cloud. We should have to maintain on premises also, guys. On premise. Also, we can, for example, we should have to maintain in one network, guys. This is called. We can call it as a on premise. For example, if you want to log in, for example, if you resource here, guys, you are the user here. You are the user here. How can you log in your public network, guys? But if first of all, you have to log into the public cloud, guys. From public cloud only, you have to log in private cloud. This is the scenario where we are working on that one. For example, here we have to access it Microsoft Azure portal.azure.com. From here only, private cloud, guys. We will get the access from here. We'll have to. This is different network. Guys. We can enable the ports whenever we can enter from public cloud to private cloud, guys. We have ports enabling here, NSG, Network Security Group. It is one topic is there. I will tell you for those things. Network Security Group. Hybrid cloud, it is a simple definition, guys. Combination of public cloud and private cloud. If you want to log in with private cloud, first of all, you should have to log in to the public cloud. From public cloud only, you will have to log in private cloud, and we can use the servers, guys. For example, I am working in the external, right? First of all, I will have to log into the public cloud like Microsoft Azure. From here only, again, I will have to log into the client machine, guys. Private cloud, then I can use those service. I can work on those things. These are everyone is maintaining hybrid cloud, guys, nowadays. Okay, now you are understanding, guys. We will see the practical sessions and everything, guys. Okay, now we'll have to go to the community cloud. What is community cloud? It is, for example, community cloud. Community cloud. Okay, this is community cloud. A community cloud is a similar to public cloud, guys. Similar to public cloud, but it is intended to be limited to a specific member of community, guys. For example, I will take the diagram and you will get the complete picture. For example, like this, we can here. Like community of organization. This is community of organization. Okay. Now here, this is community of organization, guys. They will have to connect here, like community cloud, shared cloud resources, guys. For example, it is nothing but here, like shared cloud resources. Here, shared cloud resources. For example, this is community organization, guys. For example, it is it is a similar to public cloud, but it is intended to be limited of specific members of community, guys. For example, authorized access to the community. Like this is the shared cloud resources, guys. For example, if you want to share the documents and everything for that one, we will have to share the resources. Uh, for example, IT resources can be located in the community data center and shared by several members. For example, one data center is there. This is one data center, guys. For example, this is one data center. We'll have to share it, guys. For example, we have made the data center for particular region, guys. Once it is completed, they will have to one company is terminate immediately. Same data center, they can use it another company, guys. For that one, this is the call. For example, if you do not use any resource after termination of your resource, same resource will be allocated to another company, guys. For example, this is not important for that one. The general scenario of several applications consume the common IT resources, guys. For example, but in the context, the community cloud usually dedicated connection between each consumer and IT resources, guys. For example, it is the community cloud usually dedicated to connection between each consumer and IT services. This is his consumer and IT service. This is the connection between uh, two persons guys for community cloud. I think, for example, you have used one resource, guys, but after that you have terminated same resource. It will be distributed to another company. For example, I have used one server, guys, for on demand. After that, I have terminated this server. But same server, they will be allocated to another company. Okay, but it is a shared services with the same infrastructure, guys. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? Now, I will have to give the small revision what we have discussed, guys. What we have discussed, guys? Can you please tell me, everyone? But we have learned cloud computing. What is the definition of that one? Cloud computing. And type of the cloud providers, guys, like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. After that, we have learned like type of the cloud deployment models. What is public cloud? What is private cloud? What is hybrid cloud? What is community cloud? Where we have learned everything for theoretical part. Can you please create the Azure account from tomorrow onwards? I will have to create the infrastructure in Azure, guys. How to create the resources? What are the resources are available in our Azure portal? Few of the what are the resources we can use in Azure DevOps? Same resources for further classes. We'll have to discuss on those things, guys. Do you have any doubts, guys, till now? From the for the past classes also, feel free to ask me. Do you have any doubts? I'm stopping the screen and recording as well, guys.